Hey, what's up, guys? So I got a 1993 Ford Mustang LX 5.0 conversion. I wasn't getting spark to it, so I changed the ignition coil here, brand new, still not getting no spark. I am getting power into here. I already tested it. Distributor cap was removed. The rotor does turn. My next option, I just changed this ignition control module on the distributor and plugging it in now. Ouch. Okay, I'm gonna see if it starts up. New computer, ignition control module, battery. Okay, still nothing. You guys got any ideas, please let me know. Open to hearing everybody's, if you can help me, just let me know. Thanks.